Let's take a look at the Motorola One 5G Ace compared to the One Plus Nord N10 5G. To start, the Moto One 5G Ace gives you more space to play with the 6.7-inch Max Vision HD Plus display. Watch games and movies come to life in sharp contrast and vivid color. On the inside, Motorola has the Snapdragon 750G processor, which is 20% faster than what you're getting on the N10. Games, websites, and everyday tasks load more quickly. Plus, with 6 gigs of RAM, you can switch between apps smoothly. And you can do everything without worrying about battery life. Motorola includes a 5,000 mAh battery, which lasts up to 2 days. And with MyUX, you can customize your entertainment settings, create a unique design, and control your phone with simple gestures. Overall, the Motorola One 5G Ace gives you a bigger display, faster performance, and better battery.